Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear student, it's your maths book for class 8, but it is used for class 7 too. Now, students of 7, today our topic is non-perfect squares. Now, what is non-perfect square? A number that has a square root numbers which is not a whole number is called a non-perfect square. In previous topic, we have discussed the squares. We can calculate the square root of a non-perfect square up to a certain decimal point by division method. Following example will be help us to understand how to calculate the square root of non-perfect square. Dear student, I have this example, square root of 96. So, choose a numbers whose square will bring 96 or less than 96. Such a number is 9, as 9 multiplied by 9 is equal to 81. Now, after subtracting 81 from 96, the remainder is 15, which is less than the divided number. So, a point will be placed in the quotient. Now, the right of the 96, then zeros, put 2 zeros to the right of 15. Put decimal point like that. Double the 9 in the divisor and divisor position and put 7 in dividend. After 18 and quotient after decimal point, now 7 multiplied by 187 gave us 1309. After subtracting 1309 from 1500, the remainder is 191. Now put double zero after 191, which made it 19,100. Since 2 multiplied by 7 is equal to 14, the 1 must be carried. Thus, the number R at the left is 194. Thus, the 9 multiplied by 19,049 is 17,541. Subtract 19,100 from 17,541. The result is 1,559. Thus, the square root of 96 is 9.79 up to 2 decimal points. Dear student, it's the way of finding the non-perfect squares. Now, you open your book page 40. Question number 2. Find the square root of the following non-perfect square. I have these questions. Let's see. You can do it at your home. Now, question number 3 is find the number of digits in solution of the following number. Number of digits in solution. Now, what is this? Let's see. For these questions, first we know that about the even number and odd number. Dear student, you have learned it in previous classes that what is even number. Those numbers which are divisible by 2 are called even number, and those numbers which are not divisible by 2 are called odd numbers. Now, for this question, we need this definitions. According to the definition, we have the formula. For even number, if we have a number of digits even, then we have the formula n by 2. And if we have the number of digits odd, then we have the formula that is n plus 1 divided by 2. Students, I have an example 256. Let's see. It's a 3 digits and 3 digits mean that it is an odd number. For odd, we will use n plus 1 divided by 2. N is the number of digit, that is 3 plus 1 divided by 2. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 divided by 2. We get the 2. It's mean the number of digit in square root of 256 is that is 16 is 2. Now, if I have another question, 5,184. Let's see here digit number are 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4 is an even number. That's why we will use n by 2. N is number of digit, that is equal to 4 divided by 2, that's equal to 2. Now, the number of digits in square root of 5,184 is 72. is 2. This is the right one answer. Let's see. You can solve the question number 3 at your home and comment me in a comment box. Thank you, student. Allah bless you all.